PS3 Model 92 and PC Guy 987 in a collaboration doing an unboxing here of the LG Optimus 4X HD. Some standard packaging with, it's got a quad-core processor, IPS screen, a battery, NFC, DLNA, Wi-Fi, DivX, MHL, Bluetooth, and so on. We open it up. We've got a phone, not really needed. With that, however, we've got NFC tags, much needed. We have some stuff that tells you about NFC tags, much needed also. Further in the box, pull this tag, we have a mains adapter, your micro USB cable, headphones here, look okay, a user's manual, and the battery here. For a first boot up, well, we'll have a look at the device. It's very nice, thin, some stickers on it here, which are now stuck to me. Oh my god. What is this? No, not that one. There we go. Why they put so much stickers on it, I do not know. And the final one, here. Very nice. Right, got some sensors here, speaker here, and a front-facing camera here, LG logo. We got the back button here, a home button here, and a menu button. 4.7 inch screen. On the back we have 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, headphone jack on the top along with the lock button, and some volume buttons. Speaker grill here. There's a little thing here where you can put your nail in to pull that cover off. SIM card is pre-installed from factory. And a battery here. Hang on. The battery. $2,150 milliamp hours here. Awful back cover, I hate it. Alright, first boot up here. It vibrated. See here the home buttons and the back button and the menu button all light up. Very nice, LG stuff. Screen, actually I can't tell if you, wait, don't know if you can tell on camera, but the screen is very good. The sound is awful. What is this? And we'll come back after the startup procedure.